The electrical code, specifically the National Electrical Code, sets the minimum safety requirements for electrical installations. It prohibits the installation of unlisted or unsafe wiring methods and materials. AL, or Underwriters Laboratories, is a non-profit organization that tests and certifies products for safety. UL-listed power cords are designed to meet specific safety standards for use in residential and commercial buildings. Communications Limited, or CL, is a rating applied to cables specifically designed for low-voltage communications such as audio or video cables. They are not rated for power applications. The NEC prohibits running factory-installed UL-listed power cords through walls, regardless of whether they are for plasma or LCD televisions. This is because 1. The power cord is designed for flexible use and may not withstand the stresses of being fixed inside a wall. 2. The wall may not provide adequate protection against physical damage or overheating. Low-voltage audio or video cables do not need to be communications limited rated in most cases. However, they must still be suitable for the intended application and meet the following requirements. Firstly, they must be shielded to prevent interference. Secondly, they must be installed in a manner that protects them from damage. Panamax Powerkits are designed to extend the reach of a UL-listed power cord by installing in-wall wiring, such as Romex. They are not considered as electrical installations and can be installed without a certified electrician. However, it's important to note that the power source for the Panamax Powerkit still needs to meet the NEC requirements. This means that the outlet connecting the power kit to the house electrical system must be properly grounded and protected by a circuit breaker. To ensure the safety of electrical installations, it's essential to adhere to the electrical code and use appropriate wiring methods and materials. Running factory-listed power cords through walls is prohibited. Low-voltage audio or video cables do not require communications limited rating, but they must be suitable for the application. Panamax Powerkits can be used to extend power cords, but the installation must comply with the NEC requirements for the electrical source.